up your My Disney Experience account and linked your tickets, it's time to start thinking about your FastPass Plus reservations. If you still need to set up your account, make sure you check out our other guides first. Disney's FastPass Plus allows you to reserve selected attractions, entertainment experiences, and Disney character experiences before you even leave home. Once you have a FastPass Plus reservation, you'll be able to enter the attraction via a shorter, quicker line in the time frame you selected. You can book your Disney FastPass Plus up to 30 days before you arrive, or 60 days for Disney Resort hotel guests. You can make up to 3 FastPass Plus selections per day at a single park, and once they've been used, you can add one more at a time via the My Disney Experience app, using the free Wi-Fi at the Disney parks, or at the special kiosks. Disney's FastPass Plus is really clever. It won't let you book 2 attractions which clash with one another. You'll always be given an hour slot to ride the attraction too, so you won't need to rush. Now you know everything there is to know about FastPass Plus. Shall we get booking?